I'm going to show you how to manifest your desires using nail polish. Choose a color that aligns with whatever intentions you are trying to set. For me, I chose these two colors because obviously different colors correspond with different energies. So for today, I'm going to be using the Gold Abundance Boost nail polish, then the Green Manifestation Magic nail polish. Gold and green are associated with growth, luck, and prosperity. In my opinion, that is the elite combo because who doesn't want more of that in their life? This is also the perfect time to paint my nails because they've been pretty long and sturdy lately. I think I'm going to do the gold color on my ring finger and the rest is going to stay green. I'm manifesting good health for this year. I'm going to add another layer on top of this one just to get that perfect green tone. I applied one coat and then once that fully dried, I applied the second coat. And of course, good fortune. So now let's repeat all of our manifestations on our second hand. But in case you're looking for something else, they have so many colors available for whatever intentions you have. So check out Love by Luna.